So this is the pattern I will be making, or you can say teaching today. It's quite pretty and easy to make if you get all the steps in order. Okay, so this pattern is worked in multiples of 4 plus 2. So I basically did 22 chains, which is 4 into 5 equals to 20 plus 2. $20, $21, and the last $22. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 chains and single crochet in the next. Chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next 3 chains again and single crochet in the next chain. Now all you have to do is repeat this pattern till the end of your chain. And this is the end of step 1, single crochet in the last chain, and your step 1 is completed. Now turn your work around, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now single crochet in the chain space. Chain 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet in the next chain space. So keep on repeating this pattern until you reach the end. Step 2 kind of ends differently. Okay, so now for the end of step 2, chain 2 and DC in the last stitch. Oh, it got stuck. Okay, so pull through, and once, and then twice. So the step 2 is finally completed. Okay, so turn your work around, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, and chain 3. A single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 3 again, 1, 2, and 3. A single crochet in the next chain space. So you just have to keep on repeating this process till the end of your step 3. Okay, so this is almost the end of step 3. Chain 3, 2 and 3 and single crochet in the stitch below. Step 4, turn your work around. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. 3 DC in the chain space. 1, then 2, then 3. Now 4 DC in the next chain space. 1, then 2, then 3, and the last 4. Keep on doing 4 DCs in each chain space until you reach the end. In the end of step 4, 3 DC in the chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Then 1 more DC in the stitch below. And there you have it, your step 4 is completed. Step 5, turn your work around, chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the 4 stitches and single crochet in the chain space. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the 4 stitches again and single crochet in the space between. Keep on repeating this pattern until you reach the end of step 5. Now in the end of step 5, chain 5 and DC in the stitch below. This is it. After this, your step 5 is also completed. So after completing step 5, you just have to repeat from step 2 till step 5. After completing step 2 again, your pattern will start to look something like this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.